Welcome back. I'm Ines Ferre here with Tim Anderson from TJM Investments. Tim, we're looking at the S&P that is very close to all-time highs.
Yes, only 10 points away from what would be a new closing high. It's still possible we could see that today. It's maybe a little bit more likely that it's next week's business. And I think so far it's been a very constructive week for the market.
What do you think of the earnings that have come out so far?
Well, it's been a little bit mixed, but we have not had, I think the key thing for the market is we have not had any systemic earnings issues running through the market as a negative theme in what everyone expected was going to be a very difficult quarterly comparison, third quarter this year versus third quarter from a year ago. We've had some beats, we've had some misses, but in general, I think investors are relieved that we're 2 weeks into earnings. We've had very high profile earnings from some really big companies and nothing really bad.
Consumer sentiment came in at 95.5 for the month of October.
Sure, that was a revision from the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence number. It's up a little bit from September. That number had been trending down for a couple of weeks. Maybe some concerns about trade starting to ripple through a little bit. But I think that we're going to get we're going to get personal spending and income next week. And I think that the consumer is still in a very solid shape. Even Amazon's misses last night were not really related to consumer spending, much more so their cloud business and their own corporate spending levels.
So that bodes well for the holiday season.
Yes, you would think that it would. 2 months in advance, it looks like it's going to be a solid holiday spending season.
Thanks so much, Tim Anderson, and make sure to stay with us. Wi-Fi AM continues after the break.